Learn how to bring life back to your old batteries.
Three things really annoy me in my household. Number one, I hate paying those dreadful bills that come like clockwork each month. Number two, more and more of the devices, electronics, vehicles, and appliances in my home are powered by batteries, and I just hate constantly having to replace these batteries. But the most annoying thing of all is how much money I have to waste each month to actually buy these new batteries, which is number three. That's why I was so thrilled to find out the simple and easy way to revive old used batteries so I can reuse them instead of going out and buying new expensive batteries. It definitely beats going out to the store every time a battery dies. And even better is the thousands of dollars it can save me and my family through the years on battery costs. Reviving old used batteries is now simple to do. And this new method can even eliminate the need to buy a new car battery. It's amazing. You have to check this out. If you want to learn how to revive old used batteries, click the link below now. Stop wasting money buying new, overpriced batteries. Instead, click the link below now and learn how to recondition and reuse your old batteries. Families are spending more and more of their hard-earned money each month on all kinds of batteries. And so many batteries find their way into the trash every single day. In fact, over 3 billion batteries are thrown away and end up in landfills each year. And that's just in the US alone. But what if I told you there was now a way to save many of these batteries and reuse them? Well, now there is, because of something called easy battery reconditioning. Easy battery reconditioning brings all kinds of old and used batteries back to life. So now, instead of buying new, overpriced batteries and throwing away your old batteries, you can recondition and reuse your old used batteries instead. And this works on everything from used car batteries to used power tool batteries. This can save you thousands of dollars on the cost of batteries over the years, and it's so simple to do. And if you want to learn how to easily revive used and old batteries, click the link below now. Stop wasting money throwing out your used batteries. Click the link below and learn how to recondition and reuse them instead.
People all over the world are using a dead simple trick to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. People like Jen Simmons, who brought a dead car battery, a dead cell phone battery, a dead drill battery, a dead camera battery, and many other types of dead batteries back to life again, just like new. And people like Kevin Day, who brought his dead drill battery, several dead double and AAA batteries, and his dead camera battery back to life again. It's easy to bring dead batteries back to life again with this new simple trick. And if you click the link below, you can learn how to do this too. So go ahead, click the link below now. How would you like to bring dead car batteries, laptop batteries, cell phone batteries, power tool batteries, and many other types of dead batteries back to life again? Well, now you can. Because there's a brand new, simple trick that allows absolutely anyone to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. It's easy to do, and you can learn how to do this right now. Because there's a new video up online exposing this secret method. And once you learn this, you'll pretty much never have to buy new batteries again. And you'll save thousands of the cost of batteries over your lifetime. So if you're ready to learn more, click the link below now. People all over the world are using a dead simple trick to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. People like Jen Simmons, who brought a dead car battery, a dead cell phone battery, a dead drill battery, a dead camera battery, and many other types of dead batteries back to life again, just like new. And people like Kevin Day, who brought his dead drill battery, several dead double and AAA batteries, and his dead camera battery back to life again. It's easy to bring dead batteries back to life again with this new simple trick. And if you click the link below, you can learn how to do this too. So go ahead, click the link below now. If you use batteries, you're going to want to hear this, because there's a new dead simple trick that anyone can use to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. Once you learn this, you'll pretty much never have to buy new batteries again, and you'll save thousands of dollars on the cost of batteries over your lifetime. It's easy to do, and if you click the link below, you can learn more. So if you're ready to learn how to bring any type of dead battery back to life again, so you can stop buying new overpriced batteries and save money on batteries the rest of your life, click the link below now.
Hi, my name is Anthony and I've been using the Easy Battery Reconditioning for a couple of months now. So far the program has worked incredibly well for me. Now, my battery died, so I decided to use the simple steps in Easy Battery Reconditioning. And after about 30 minutes or so, my battery started working again, and it's been working incredibly well since.
Since I've been using Easy Battery Reconditioning, I've been able to recondition and reuse all kinds of dead batteries. Car batteries, power tool batteries, motorbike batteries, different types of lead acid batteries, laptop and lithium ion batteries, cell phone batteries, and many other types of common batteries.
Hi, I'm Steve Siegel from Grays Lake, Illinois. I had an old golf cart with 6 dead batteries. I was facing replacing all 6, going to be over $875. So I decided to invest in Tom Erickson's Easy Battery Reconditioning program, and I'm back up and running. Tom's program taught me 4 ways to see if my golf cart could even be reconditioned, and then 3 ways to recondition the batteries. And I'd recommend Easy Battery Reconditioning to anybody who wants to save money and recondition old batteries.
To learn more, just click on the link below.